Hey guys, so this is how you get to your Epic Live benchmarking. So if I schedule you for a benchmark to take online, we're using our Epic Live platform this year, and it will be someone else proctoring your benchmark because I am at the testing center helping. So I'm going to go in here and I favorited the platform for you so that way you know where to go. But when you get into clever.com, you'll see this Epic Live benchmarking. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, if I have assigned you something, you're going to see right here where it says scheduled test and it has your dates and times. When it is time for you to do it, you're just going to come over here and you'll click join now. And once you click join now, it'll download a Zoom screen and it will allow you to join now. So you can always click schedule, it just gives you calendar. It's better to just go from your dashboard, and the day and everything of your test is right here. So just remember to be online a little bit early and ready to go for your benchmark exam.